Hello everyone, my name is Joy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we make chicken adobo, a famous Filipino dish my mother taught me how to make this recipe when I was 12 years old. I recommend using chicken legs as to me, they are tastier. You can also use chicken breast to make this recipe healthier. It's important to marinate the chicken beforehand. In this video, we will only marinate the chicken for 10 minutes. If you have the time to marinate the chicken for at least 3 hours or even better overnight, I recommend you to do just that. Longer marinating times allow for the goodness of the sauce to infuse into the chicken for a richer flavor. I recommend using dark colored ones for the soy sauce as those are better suited for adobo. However, you can also use a lighter colored soy sauce if you don't have another choice. I usually use white vinegar, however, you can substitute it with apple cider vinegar or cane vinegar. I prefer not to add sugar, however, you can add sugar at any time if that is your preference. Chicken adobo is served with rice, quinoa, or mashed potatoes. I recommend either simple citrusy green salad or a shredded raw carrot salad as a side dish. This recipe should take you 45 to 50 minutes of preparation time. For this recipe, we will need 32 ounces of bone-in chicken thighs or drumsticks, 2/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 whole garlic bulb smashed and filled, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 5 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped chili, 2 cups of water. First, we will start by marinating the chicken. Place the chicken into a large glass bowl, add the soy sauce, pepper, vinegar, and garlic. Now you can use your hands to mix all the ingredients. Put the bowl aside to let it marinate while we start heating an 11-inch shallow casserole. You can also use a similar size street-sided sauté pan. Start with low heat and add the oil. Once the oil is heated, add the onion. Mix well until golden. You can now add the ginger and cook for 5 minutes until golden. Now, you can add the marinated chicken into the casserole. Keep the marinated sauce aside as we will use it later. Slowly stir the chicken for about 10 minutes until it turns brown. We can now add the water, the marinated sauce, the chili, and the bay leaves. Increase the heat to medium. Cover the casserole for about 35 minutes until tender when pursed with pork. Avoid cooking adobo on high heat, making the chicken hard with an off taste. This dish is best served immediately while still hot. If you have leftover, you can put them into the refrigerator and make delicious chicken adobo fried rice. One of our following videos will show you how to make this in less than 15 minutes. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.